Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use Citymapper for navigation. So in order to use Citymapper for navigation, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to go and open up your Citymapper app and make sure to select a country. So in order to select a country, you'll be able to see list of country provided during the creation of your account, and when you select it, it's going to take you to this page. So right on this page, if you tap the gear icon from the top, you'll be able to see your information. So if you wish to change your city, then you can go to the switch city button, and then when you press on it, go ahead and select the city that you wish to replace it with. After that, it's going to take you to this page. So here you can see the search box right on top, and then you have this option as get me home. If you wish to go ahead and select get me somewhere, just go ahead and select that, and then enter in the location where from, and you can just type in the starting point. So when you start this, you can just go ahead and now enter in where you actually wish to go ahead, and you can just type in. And when you select the following location, then you can see there's this direction. Now click the arrow icon in order to proceed with the direction and all that, and here you can see this is how you can go ahead and select the interface. Now you can go ahead and select either one of it and how you can use Citymapper for navigation. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.